Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to recognize the money. In this video we will learn different ways for having the same amount of money. Today our topic is different ways for having the same amount of money. In Pakistan, the smallest unit of money is the paisa and the biggest unit is rupee. 100 paisas make 1 rupee. Now we will discuss the different ways for having rupees 10. 10 coins of rupee 1 each. If we have 10 coins of rupee 1 each, it makes 10. Here is another way for having rupee 10. If we have 5 coins of rupee 2 each, we get 10 rupees. If we have 5 coins of 2 rupee each, it makes rupees 10. If we add 2 5 times, or if we multiply 2 with 5, we get 10. 2 into 5 we get 10. Here is another way for having rupee 10. If we have 2 coins of rupee 5 each, 2 coins of rupee 5 each, we get 10. 5 into 2 we get 10. As there are 2 coins of rupee 5 each, it makes 10. What will be another way for having rupee 10? Think about it. If we have one note of rupee 10, we get 10 rupees. One note of rupee 10, it makes 10 rupees. Let's discuss the different ways for having rupee 50. If we have 10 coins of rupees 5 each, what will we get? 5 into 10, it makes 50. It means if we have 10 coins of rupees 5 each, we get 50 rupees. Here is another way for having rupees 50. 5 notes of rupee 10 each. If we have 5 notes of 10 rupees each, we get 50. As 10 into 5, we get 50. 10 into 5, 50. If we have 5 notes of 10 rupees, we get 50 rupees. 2 notes of rupees 20 each and 1 note of rupee 10. It makes 50. As 2 notes of rupees 20 each, it makes 40 rupees. 2 notes of rupees 20 each makes 40 rupees. To make 50, we will add 1 note of rupee 10. Now it makes 50 rupees. In 40 rupees, if we add 10 rupees, we will get 50 rupees. Here is another way for having rupees 50. If we have 1 note of rupees 50, we get 50 rupees. If we have 1 note of rupees 50, it makes 50 rupees. Now we will discuss the different ways for having rupees 500. 10 notes of rupees 50 each, it makes 500 rupees. If we have 10 notes of 50 rupees each, we get 500 rupees. Now multiply 50 with 10. 50 into 10 we get 500. It means if we have 10 notes of rupees 50 each, we get 500 rupees. Another way for having 500 rupees is 5 notes of rupees 100 each. If we have 5 notes of rupees 100 each, we get 500 rupees. Multiply 100 with 5. 100 into 5, we get 500. 100 into 5, we get 500. It means if we have 5 notes of rupees 100 each, we get 500 rupees. Another way for having rupees 500 is 1 note of rupees 500. If we have 1 note of rupees 500, we have 500 rupees. In this video, we have discussed different ways for having the same amount of money. In the next video, we will learn addition of money. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.